Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. For earlier videos, I was showing you this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and then you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, we had a nice pump, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of $1 and $2.75. That was previously working as support here. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance and we got rejection. And now the price line has broken down this very long-term support zone that starts from $2 and goes to $1.60. That was previously working as a resistance on here, resistance, resistance here. Now, after the breakdown, again, it is flipped into a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SushiSwap that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. And this move I would like to show you this move as well. That is a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that SushiSwap has formed on the monthly time frame chart. And this move is, by the way, still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SushiSwap that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. And that is a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that SushiSwap has formed with Bitcoin pair on a 2 hour time frame chart. And this is a complete trade signal. Buying's on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target. Now, let me just show you the long-term trade signal for SushiSwap that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 23rd of June 2022. And that is a very huge harmonic bullish reversal setup. This Garley is formed on the 2 hour time frame chart that I recently shared almost 2 days ago with my members. That was a very short term trade signal. But this was a very long term trade signal because this move is formed on a monthly time frame chart. And you can see that when the price line was moving at the end of this potential reversal zone, at that time I shared this signal. The price was moving at $1.25. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is still moving almost at the same level. Right now it is moving at $1.57 or 58 cents. And the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this very big bullish Gartley pattern start from $12.27 and goes to $19.56. Now, let's take a look at the live chart. And here you can see that we have recently broken out this very long-term falling wedge pattern. After the breakout, we have a very, very nice and powerful rally. By the way, the target that I have been telling you in so many previous videos was here at the top of this wedge, approximately at $2.20. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $2.75. That was previously working as a support here, and now it is flipped into resistance after the breakdown. Therefore, not to continue this rally to the upside, we will also need to break out this resistance. But before that, we will need to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. Now here on the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. But after the breakout, the price line was rejected by this long-term resistance zone from $1.60 to $2. Therefore, the price line could not continue this rally to the upside. But now if the price and breaks out this resistance line once again and this long-term resistance, very strong resistance of $2.75, and I'm expecting that soon it can also hit the target for the breakout from this wedge pattern as well. And that target will be here at the top of this wedge. That will be somewhere between $23 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.